Good morning. And day 2 kita akan keluar hari ni pagi. Time check sekarang pukul 8:30, 8:30. And kita nak pergi cari kereta. So once kita dah dapat kereta, senang kita nak jalan-jalan mana-mana, semua dah senang. Hari ni sejuk sikit. Tadi aku check, aku bangun about berapa? 16 degree. So aku nak pergi cari sweater, cari barang, and pergi supermarket and explore lagi Perth di siang hari for day 2. Hari wife aku punya outfit lain macam. Kat style, sejuk ah.
Sedap siapa ya Allah.
Remind
me to buy socks. I need to buy socks because kaki sejuk.
Sebenarnya aku pakai jeans hari ni dengan sandal. So yeah, it's fine. And this is one of the negeri yang aku bangun siang untuk keluar actually. So far even aku pergi London dulu, aku bangun, kita keluar pun dalam pukul 12 tengah hari, 1 petang style. But hari ni kat Australia, kat Perth, 8:30 kita dah keluar jalan-jalan. So harap kedai kereta tu pun dah buka. Kita akan check it out.
Should we get mocha?
Yeah. Share. 17 degree. Gonna get a good coffee. You know, the best minum air panas kat weather sejuk is the best.
So nice. The weather now is 16 degree. We need a hot mocha for a nice cooling weather.
Try lah.
Ya, panas.
Asal gagak dia suara gitu?
I nak try ni sah.
No sugar for me. Nice tak?
Okay, I rasa belum goncang.
Gaul, dia tak gaul.
Dia macam so many susu.
Okay, kita dah sampai depan tu 6. Nak kena shout out pada Muhammad Safwan yang recommend aku, cakap, Cap, kau nak ada kereta, nak pergi kereta, pergi kat 6. So Safwan, this is for you. Aku datang ke 6. Nampak? Okay, kita dah dapat kereta daripada Bayswater. Tadi 6 ramai orang, malas aku nak tunggu, so dapat Bayswater hire cars. Kita dah dapat kereta.
This one or that side?
So I don't know, masih
Sini tu pun enak ambil kereta.
378. Let's see mana kereta kita. 378.
Situlah awal kita.
378. Hari ni aku bawa Toyota RAV4. Dia kata kereta baru. Okay lah sini, orang dia very friendly. Senang deal. Satu hari kereta ni harga about berapa? $90+ Singapore dollar. Tapi kau deposit 300, dia kira dah cover. Kalau orang langgar kau ke apa kan, apa-apa hal ni semua dia takkan claim kau.
Yeah, so, because we purchase dengan the insurance, so they waive off all the damage.
That's nice. Kira free of mind lah.
Yeah. Kalau tak, like we don't want to macam nanti korang dah return kereta tu kan, pasal korang dah deposit apa, they can charge your credit card unknowingly
For Volkswagen.
So ni okay lah, tak payah nak fikir apa. 3 berapa ni?
My favorite man.
830
378. This is our ride. Let me unlock. Yeah. This is my ride in OC, mate. Yeah.
Cut you all, you take already.
This is my ride. Dah. Check the rims. No birds, my man. Not bad, huh? Besar juga Macam Vezel. Macam Vezel baru. This is my right. Okay. Yeah. Oh, sedap ke? Tengok guys, solid lah. Not bad, mate. For a start. Good day, cheerio. Son of a gun. Kereta dah park. Sekarang parking kat sini pun ramai, banyak sangat kereta. So kita nak pergi town area. Parking dia susah guys. Sempit, bagi aku lah sempit. Habis tak banyak kapak lah. So kena pandai cari lah. Ni kita dapat jauh sikit daripada town. I think about 5 minute walks to the main attraction. But we see how it goes.
Ada helicat lah sini.
Helicat? Perf helicat. Oh, perf. Oh, this is the pronunciation that I do. Perf. Dah. Ni nama dia apa? Murray Street Mall. Oh, ni Perth Underground Station. Ni train station dia lah, kira kalau naik train. Sedap bau dia.
On this side, and you put it the way the street is running. You are here in the Murray Street Mall at our information centre.
Okay. Thank you so much. Got a map, which I don't know why. I got a map, which I don't know why. Because phone also got map.
Tak apa, we can see visually.
Wah, tak boleh nampak kasut, bye. Sekarang ada kasut. Premium limited exclusive. Can I take a look? Let's go, cheerio. Sekarang wife aku nak pergi Kmart. Aku tak tahu apa ada. But
From what I heard, it's like Primark. So let's see.
what's Primark? Primark is in London, where benda murah lah, where baju murah tak murah mana lah, dekat shopping lah, kira be affordable lah. Kmart, let's see.
Daripada H&M mahal. Mesti Kmart.
Ni logo dia Kmart. Ini dia Kmart. So inilah Kmart. Okay lah, quality dia tak best sangat lah. Everlast mana-mana, UK semua ada. Yang diorang jual murah Everlast. Kat Singapura je mahal, tak tahu asal. Yeah.
Let's go out.
Up.
Yep.
The quality is not like Primark. Different. Inilah dia Kmart. Sebesar-besar tidak ni. So tingkat 2 ni dia lebih kepada home punya benda-benda lah. Home punya benda-benda. So kalau siapa yang nak cari benda home, tingkat 2 dekat Kmart ni ada lah. Something like that. Asal blinking Oh, I can adjust like this. Wah. $2 hanger, $2, $4.
Daiso, Kaison.
Kaison.
For our home kena.
Normally aku travel, aku tak tengok benda ni semua lah. Kita tengok lebih kepada aktiviti. Sana semua kat Malaysia, Singapore ni dapat.
Dia nak beli ah.
Nak letak mana?
Toilet.
Beli lah. How much is that?
15.
Murah apa
Murah bapak Esa.
Berat saya ni. Ni ceramik ke?
Lawas habis $15.
Shopee tak ada ke? Oh ni yang rumah orang kata famous tu, orang ambil gambar ni. Ini pun jadi orang ambil gambar.
I'll be patiently waiting to hear from you. And now you're gonna be the one. You're gonna be the one. Oh yeah, yeah.
Aku dekat Grand Fish House nak makan fish and chip, tapi tak ada orang. Kita tengok menu dia. Aku dah cabut dari kedai tadi. Macam kedai tadi ada babi. Dia ada babi, dia jual babi. So senang sekali gua makan roti semua. Settle makan roti, order.
So now we are going to DFO. How's driving this car?
Nice, so far so good, nice. It's kind of my first time driving a high kind of car. Tinggi lah, udah besar. Mitchell FWY. What is FWY?
Oh my god. We go brand outlet lah, let's go. So we're going to brand outlet first. We see what's there. And then we see. Oh tak eh. Okay, so we going to go straight to DFO. Dia punya weather is not here not there. Dia macam sejuk tapi panas. Pasal the sun is very strong. Right. Tapi bila kita jalan kat luar, it's normal lah. Dia panas tapi dia sejuk. Faham? Dia macam korang dalam bilik aircon and then ada matahari. So dia tak panas tak sejuk. But you need to wear sunblock pasal the sun is strong lah. Kau tak gelap. So back to Kmart, okay lah. I think yalah, barang like for barang-barang accessories, barang-barang accessories, barang rumah, you can go there. It's very cheap. Tapi berat lah if you want to carry. Tapi kalau nak beli baju ni semua, for me no lah. Yeah. Corner dia so we have reached the DFO.
Yeah.
I'll show you the place. Oh, there's Costco here.
Costco.
So excited. The DFO is there, and the Costco is there.
Yeah, we're reaching in time now. Welcome to DFO.
So we just tap.
You guys are just gonna tap like this. See? Got it in now. Put it on.
So if you guys activate your overseas credit card, you can just do that. Starlight, starlight.
Yeah. Let's go. Need to charge my phone. So basically kat DFO ni dia ibaratkan semua kedai-kedai yang apa branded lah apalah. Ada yang tak, ada yang biasa-biasa lah, Cotton On semua ada. So not only branded, kira it's a one stop untuk kau shop juga. Tapi aku tak tahu DFO tu apa, duty free outlet ataupun tak tahu apa dia punya makna DFO. Dia betul-betul sebelah dengan airport. And nak kena ada kereta, tak ada kereta pakai Uber, jahanam. Duit kopak. Balik Singapura makan bubur.
Acap just got his first Vans from here. How's it?
Let's go, mate. You wanna eat? There's some food.
I'm still full.
You're still full. So right now we still going around and finding stuff. Walking now. Okay, DFO dah settle. Sekarang kita pergi Costco. Jalan-jalan di Costco. Tak tahu dalam ada apa. Mungkin macam Carrefour lah. Ni Costco. Wholesale Costco.
Come on, turn the radios on.
So yeah, so if you guys coming to Western Australia, Perth, you can go to Costco now.
Oh, Costco dia macam wholesale lah.
Yeah, wholesale.
Like you buy in bulk barang-barang. Damn it, son.
So tadi kat sewa kereta punya tempat ada satu perempuan tu, aku cakap dia, kalau aku bayar aku boleh dapat, can I get the car now? Terus cakap, yeah, you can get the car now. So dari sana aku dah sangkut dengan the best slang now.
Ambil trolley.
So aku dah sangkut dah. Tapi aku tak pakai. Going now. Trolley. Kena bayar?
Tak, di belakang.
Go. Target apa?
Target is like Costco tapi relax sikit.
Boleh lah.
So it's meant only for the residents maybe?
Ya. Okay, masalah, sorry, tak boleh masuk Costco ni pasal members only. Members, tapi kita macam tourist, kau nak kena bayar $65. Last for 1 year tapi boleh cancel anytime. Tapi tak worth it lah, tak payah pergi lah. Ni kira untuk members only lah. Mungkin orang tinggal sini boleh pergi lah. So kita akan pergi yang bukan members ni. Sini nak makan restoran memang mahal. So aku tak plan nak makan restoran pun. Probably fish and chip je. Tu pun akan pergi Fremantle ni fish and chip. Other than that, aku akan start berpuasa dan berbuka dengan kurma dan croissant saja.
Kurma?
Itulah, puasa lah, kita tak makan restoran. Kita akan berpuasa. Makan McD pun mahal. Bagus, masak sendiri. Tapi kali ni kita tak pergi Airbnb. Our hotel tak ada tempat masak. Selalu kita travel akan pergi Airbnb. But yeah, it's okay. Things happen. But at least we got a car now. Then
dia kena panjang ni.
so at least we have a car now. Then we can travel at ease.
We have a car now.
At ease. Memang panas.
For together.
Tapi sejuk, panas je. Macam nak explain Kau rasa matahari, tapi at the same time dia ada kasih kau angin aircon je. So itu dia macam cover up lah, tak rasa panas je kat Singapore lah. What's the car?
Yeah.
Ni? There. There's the car. Vol. Now we're going to what? Target lah.
Let's look for Target.
Target. Let's go. Senang gini. Start the car. Can run. Tak 2 hours je. So ni kita nak kena bayar kapak dia. So ni open kapak macam gini. Kita nak pergi sana, Target, and there's Woolworths here, but I don't know, we're gonna go Target first. Kena bayar parking dulu. So kalau macam yang depan tu Wilson, bayar dia gantry je, tap card, masuk, settle. So macam open kapak gini, kena pakai this machine. Tak bayar kena saman. Kedai kereta dapat tahu, dah leceh.
Senang siap.
So yeah, senang, convenient. Tadi whole day sekarang kau apa? Belum makan makan roti je tadi. Silah tengok ada apa boleh cekik, dia cekik lah. But for now tak rasa lapar. So it's fine. Dia ada cafe tu, boleh nak tengok sana.
You lapar?
Taklah, jalan-jalan lah, survey, scouting. Check cars. Let's go. Ni bukan sampah, ni pos. Sotheby Square Shopping Station. Ni Woolworths. Woolworths ni supermarket dia. Besar. Boleh tengok macam-macam. Oh, Sotheby Square. Where's Sotheby Square? Sekarang kita kat kedai ni, try cinnamon craffin. Pistachio punya. Try. Coklat.
One pistachio, one craffin is $15. So after this we just I realise orang kat sini tu suka berbual kuat.
Yalah.
So we get going to the Target after this.
Target.
And then we go for Stargaze. Apa?
Now. Can I try?
So I had cinnamon for myself.
Oh, dia sampukan One bite lah.
You hold lah.
Okay, tengok guys. Pistachio chocolate.
Yeah.
Banyak gula Sedap
One of the best croissant I ever tried.
Sedap gila sedap. Pistachio chocolate croissant.
What about it's something sorry.
Sedap gila.
It's like gila.
Oh my god.
Mango, kau kena datang Perth. Kau belajar croissant dia, kau jual.
Kita makan cemil-cemil gini dah sedap.
So ni dalam ni satu mall ni Target guys. Aku masih belum get over dengan croissant dia, pistachio. Try wife. You punya apa?
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon. Oh ya, tu rasa cinnamon. Solid. Dia nampak panas tu, dia tak panas. Alhamdulillah. So this whole mall is by Target lah. Baru tahu Target ni apa. Tempat-tempat shopping ke. Open sesame. COLES. Ni pun supermarket. Besar juga. Target kat atas. Macam apa?
Khidmat tapi lagi teratur.
Ya, khidmat kan sepak. Okay, I think Target is a solid place juga guys compared to Kmart. Let me go to the men's. And I think WhatsApp me ya.
Jangan silent kan?
Tak ah. Nobody ain't silent here. Ni women's. Aku nak kena beli baju. Pasal aku bawa 2 pasang baju je, so aku nak kena beli baju. There. Oh, here.
Masuk sini ke situ?
Dia combine eh?
Tak. Ni cheap.
So, sekarang kita dekat Westfield Carousel Shopping Mall.
Ni lah.
They don't play at road. So, see my wife punya Birkenstock dah rabak.
See my leg?
Blue black. Because I tell her so many times that Birkenstock punya quality sucks.
I like.
Light
Why?
good for you lah, light. Good for you.
Shut up.
It's blue black.
Nah. Sushi.
Asal dia dripping.
Jom eat sushi.
Sushi, oh halal eh? Halal ke tak? Kena tanya lah.
Sushi pergi.
So basically kat sini semua mall biasa lah. Kasut lah, baju lah. So sama juga mall ni masuk Foot Locker nak cari kasut. Nanti mak semua aku nak cek kedai makan kalau ada lah. Tengok apa yang sedap-sedap. Aku makan kan ni. Roti je. Sekarang aku dekat Nine Chicken. Dah habis shopping. Sikit barang ni. Wife aku pun dah beli kasut. So enak sekarang ni pukul 5.15 baru aku dapat makan. Proper meal, Nine Chicken. Other than that, susah cak makan. Mahal. So ya, kalau korang boleh book Airbnb lagi baik. So ada tempat masak ataupun hotel apartment yang ada tempat masak. Dia pergi pasar dia beli barang masak. Masak sendiri lagi senang, lagi safe, lagi aman. Macam mana aku pernah buat dekat London juga. Aku banyak masak kat sana. But to compare the price makan kat London dengan kat sini, aku rasa kat sini lagi mahal. So yeah, must be smart lah certain times bila kita travel. Tapi sekarang mata aku dah koyak. Aku tak tahu asal, mungkin aku bangun pagi. Sekarang pukul 5.16 kedai pun ada yang dah tutup. So nanti aku akan tunjuk korang video lagi apa aktiviti kita. Aku tak tahu apa nak buat lagi. Maybe malam ni aku pergi, tak tahu, maybe nak macam nak pergi stadium, Optus Stadium, buat some activity. But we'll see how it goes. Kita baru habis supermarket Coles. Sekarang time check 7.21, kita dah nak balik. Semua barang-barang yang kita dah menyoping satu hari. Daripada pagi tu kita keluar sampai sekarang 7.21 menyoping. Tak ada banyak benda pun sini nak shopping. Banyak jalan je, pusing sana pusing sini, mall dia. So far so good. Kehidupan di Perth dengan kereta, senang hidup. Terus start. Yeah. Welcome to my ride, Toyota. Okay, tak jadi nak balik pasal membawa kereta. Pasal wife aku nampak Aldi atau apa tadi. Sini nampak. Oh, tekan 2 kali baru lampu tutup. Okay. Ini Aldi ni. Aldi, kedai mana baju?
Kan, dia dalam supermarket je. You wanna go?
Tak lah, mana itu you cakap Aldi.
Tadi yang nampak macam baju, rupanya bukan.
You dah send mata baju. Habis nak masuk ke tak? Mana itu? Boleh tengok lah kalau nak.
Kamu tengok je.
So it's not baju. Pasal dia tak dapat baju kat sini. So basically ini pun macam supermarket juga. Barang-barang yang keperluan bila kedai dah tutup malam, belilah barang-barang sini. Bawa balik hotel ataupun Airbnb, boleh makan. Sejuk gila aircon dia kat sini. Semua barang-barang protein, high protein, yogurt. Dia letak apa tau? Australia's lowest price. We won't be beaten on your weekly shop. Oh, serious ah? Legit ah.
This one strawberry.
Pisang.
Strawberry
Dia
or
tak
pisang
makan.
Strawberry tak makan.
Pisang better lah.
Where? Pisang
But
tu meh.
pisang dia meh. Cannot make it lah pisang. Besar semacam tak tu. Nah, make payment. You can go.
Press. Oh, ni dia punya parking okey sikit.
Sorry.
Cuma dia punya tadi nak masuk je shallow.
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 It's the entrance.
Hotel
Hotel?
Hotel. Hotel lobby in front.
Okay, Alhamdulillah dah sampai ke hotel. Time check right now is 10:03. 10:03. So, dapat kereta, park dekat hotel, kena bayar satu malam $30. Aku park for 3 days sampai Friday, $90 spend. Duit aku pun tinggal $75, which aku tukar setakat 500 je. Aku tak expect sini mahal. So, it is what it is. And to wrap up the second day interesting pasal kita drive around. It's very convenient. For the parking is very easy. So, no need to worry. The road is solid, tak jam macam dekat Thailand ke, kat Indonesia ke, kat mana-mana. Dia punya road clear, kebanyakan timing, tak ada peak hour, semua aku tengok okay. So it's very easy to drive. Even kalau kau baru pass punya orang pun aku rasa is okay, not to worry. And to be honest, orang-orang local kat sini, the Australians, they are very very friendly. They will help you, they will ask you how are you and everything. Dia akan tegur kau, dia akan sengih kat kau. So very nice people here dekat Perth. And aku tengah nak preps, nak tidur for day 3. Besok insyaAllah aku akan jalan jauh sikit, pergi road trip, pergi ke Pinnacles. And aku nak tengok wildlife, some of the animals over here yang diorang tak abuse, yang diorang jaga not under government, under private. And what else probably aku tak buat whale watching pasal Rottnest Island maybe time consuming. And I don't know, maybe next time. But aku want to see if boleh skydiving. I would try prioritize it maybe on Thursday. But today was a good day. Ada kereta. So kepada korang yang datang Perth, aku personally would recommend you guys to have a car. Please rent a car. And take note, to rent a car, dorang ada dua option. First option is by kilometer. Second option unlimited kilometer. So unlimited kilometer tu kau boleh jalan mana-mana, dia takkan charge kau lebih. Kalau yang by kilometer, dia punya rental per day murah. But then above 100 km onwards, dia akan charge kau a few cents. So yeah, it depends. Korang boleh check out sendiri mana-mana yang korang nak. Car rental ada banyak. But aku personally using opposite of my hotel, which is at Bayswater punya car rental. Very good. Kereta dia pun baru. And very easy. Bila ada kereta, very easy. Kau akan reduce kau punya cost of travelling daripada kau bayar Uber ni semua. Macam kat sini pakai Uber kan. So yeah, transport dia ada free. Macam bus dia free, tapi CBD area je. So kalau kau nak pergi jauh, kau tak dapat drive, kau nak guna Uber dah mahal. Pergi balik dah mahal. And dia distant. Dia ibaratkan daripada kau Johor nak pergi Melaka punya style, distance lah nak travel. Yeah, that's about it. So hari ni kita pun dah banyak shopping. Beli baju sikit, kasut. Wife aku pun ada beli kasut. Kita makan pun setakat nenek chicken. Tadi korang tengok video kan, croissant itu je. Tak ada something yang interesting pun hari ni makan. But tomorrow or Thursday, insyaAllah we will try to get fish and chips. Something yang Australian makan. Maybe the locals. Kita akan explore more.
check out. Besok aku nak tidur. Bye-bye.